So welcome back, Heathheads. Got to keep a little bit quieter today because I got the baby sleeping in the other room. So hopefully my microphone here is doing its proper job of blocking out the extra sound because I got lullabies playing in the background. But today, guys, this will be my last unboxing on Heathhead here. That is not fitness, health, and nutrition related, okay? Did the Havoc staff, so make sure you go back and watch that one. But today I got a super awesome gift from US manufacturer. I shouldn't say gift, I should say package, you know, did pay for it, but we got this awesome package and it is the Sword of Power. And I just got it today, just arrived right here. Check that out. Now this is not made out of foam, you know, any fluff or anything. This is legit steel sword. So excited. I've put the QR code on the screen if you guys want to get it too. These retail for $350 US. That includes free shipping. Haven't even seen it yet myself. I'm so excited. Let's break in. Wasn't planning on doing this today, hence why I got the Heathhead hat on. Not normally wear hats in videos, but I was like, hey, you know what? It is what it is. Don't want to leave you guys waiting. And the movie just came out yesterday. This is Saturday, June the 6th. Now I got to see a sneak preview on Thursday. Went with my kid. Absolutely loved it. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. Let's shoot through this bad boy and see what we got. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I will be turning this up in editing, but with this little microphone, we should be okay. Now, as you all know, there's an official He-Man, the Masters of the Universe movie sword, but it retails for something like, what, 800 or 900 US dollars? This is a fraction of that. It's got some good weight on it so far. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, here we go. There we go. Let's check that out. Place her down there. Let's get this box right out of here. Shipping actually was quite quick. I think it was about maybe 10 days from when it was shipped out to me. Now you can see it's all wrapped up in bubble tape here. Now one of the things it does have is a sheath with it as well. And I believe there's an option, at least I got an option, of black or brown. I chose to go with the official He-Man brown. So let's take a look here. Let's cut this bad boy open. Need some new kitchen scissors, let me tell you that. Holy cow, there is a lot of plastic holding this sucker in. Oh my gosh. That's, you know what? I'll take this knife here and try not to cut myself. Like I hurt myself opening that frickin' Havoc staff. Well, say it's protected, that's for sure. Oh. Check what we got out going on here. Now keep in mind, guys, I am 6'4", so this thing is legit size. Holy cow. Wow. There we go, guys. Check this out. Now we just got to get it off the leather handle here. Oh, and there we are, guys. Through the power of editing, we have got it. I think I'll throw in one of those like 6 hours later, you know, little slides there, because there was a lot of plastic on this thing, especially on the handle. Now let's take a look at it. We got the Eternian writing on it over there. Leather wrapped. Nice solid end. This is a good weight. I'm gonna say, let's give it a, I'm gonna say this is a good 5 to 7 pounds. Pretty solid steel. Now, I don't know anything, guys, about swords, anything about these LARP swords or, you know, the role action playing. I'm not a sword collector. This is the only sword I've ever wanted in my life. Maybe a Sword of Omens, but again, that's if they bring out a movie. I was never a big Thundercats fan. I didn't mind them. They came on after He-Man, sure, I'd watch it. But He-Man and Transformers G1 were my jam. But man, this is nice. This is a nice sword. I'll tell you guys, I don't know if you guys are into this. Let's add some fitness element on here, right? One of the best things you can do as you get older especially is work on your power, your explosiveness, and your rotation ability. That's why I love kickboxing. I love Muay Thai. If you know anything about me, my background is, you know, professional strength and conditioning fitness trainer for pro fighters around the world. So I lived in Thailand for many years, Hong Kong, Indonesia. So I'll be taking this thing out and swinging it. Also, really good. Got to be careful here I don't scratch the shit out of my ceiling, right? Really good for some forearm twist and work. Just kind of like Indian club stuff, you know. It's going to be great to be swinging this around, get some shoulder mobility in there. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to show it to you. This thing is awesome. Like I said, if you want to get your own, scan that QR code right there. It'll take you directly to his Instagram page, okay? Legit buyer, don't be afraid of anything like that. Sure, I should say legit seller. Now, let's take a look at the sheath that came in as well. We got a nice leather sheath here. Got a handle, I guess, to go around the shoulder there so you can carry it around. You got a little buckle here at the top. What is this? I guess this feels like a, what do they call this? Like a rawhide leather guy. I know nothing about this stuff, right, guys? So there we go. We're going to take that. Let's slide her in there. Oh, there we go. Look at that. This sucker is going to look beautiful hanging on the wall. I am loving this sword. So yeah, check out the QR code. You can also check the show notes below. US manufacturer. Great quality sword. Really happy with it. So there you go, guys. And make sure you join me if you want to transform from dad bod to he dad bod. No nonsense, no needles, no power sword needed. Because until then, guys, it's time for us to take back the power.